Shahid Kapoor, welcome to the show.
Thanks, man.
Shahid, I like the new haircut, the whole makeover actually, the short hair which actually makes you look like a bit of a schoolboy.
Yeah.
The hint of muscle, looking good.
Thank you.
Now, I have to ask, what's with the six packs?
What's with the six packs? Is it six really? I've not really counted
I
it.
believe so.
No, honestly, I mean, for this one, it wasn't really about getting a 6 or 8 pack. That happens later, actually. There's another film of mine coming, directed by Ken Ghosh. That'll have a much more defined torso. Okay. This one is more about getting the body for Charlie, because obviously Charlie and Guddu are the twins, and they both
This
need
is
to
in Kamine,
Yes, in Kamine, of course. And both of them need to look very different from each other. So we made Charlie a lot more. We showed his body a lot more, and Guddu's a lot more covered up.
I have to say, that shot in the Kamine promo, you know which one I'm talking about?
The horses.
The horses running shirtless with the stallions.
Yeah.
That one shot can be credited with sort of increasing your popularity manifold. I know you've had lots of reactions to that.
No, I know, I know. It's amazing, I mean, almost everybody that I've met seems to mention it. It was a shot which Vishal had in his mind very early, actually, before we started shooting the film. He was like, "Shayad, ye ek shot mujhe lena hai. I want you to be running with white stallions." So I was like, "Vishal, you want me to be running with white stallions and you think people are going to see me? Why?" He was like, "Because you're not going to have your shirt on." Like, okay, give me 1 year and then we'll do that shot. So we actually waited for the film to finish. He gave me that whole time. We started shooting 2 months later and we shot for about 6-7 months. He almost gave me a year to get ready for that shot.
Okay.
So yes, it was a lot of hard work did go into it, but I think it's really come out
but
well.
But you could run as fast as the stallions?
You think, man, seriously. I was like, I don't know, 100 feet ahead of them, and they would still like get ahead of me in like 5 seconds and stuff like that.
I have to ask you, Vishal recently took a crack at you. He
Yes.
said Shahid should stop concentrating on his hair and his makeup and his muscles, and he'll be a better actor.
You know, we are all in a very Kamina mind space these days. So my response to that is I quite like my hair. Thankfully, I have some. And secondly, it was his idea to get the hair extensions on, so he really shouldn't be complaining. But apart from that, Vishal and me have a relationship where we can be honest to each other.
Okay.
And obviously he comes from his space.
Yeah.
And we always keep having this thing, because I keep telling Vishal, you're an art director, yaar, main commercial hero. So you take care of the art and I'll take care of the commerce. That's the kind of, relationship we have. So he always keeps saying these things in jest, and I keep trying to get back at him.
Action! Let me ask you this, Shahid. Actors spend a lot of time looking good and trying to enhance their appearance.
Yeah.
Whether it's working on your body, whether it's working on your looks. I want to ask you, do actors spend as much time honing their performances?
There was a time at which if you change your look, it was considered like you gave a new performance.
Absolutely, yes.
But that misconception kind of is going away now. And I mean, for me personally, I think being the combination of a star and an actor, that's the challenging one. Because I guess only being a star or only being an actor is easy.
Okay.
Because you kind of need to brush up your skills in one territory. But when you want to be a star and you want to continue staying an actor, then you're kind of in two different territories at the same time, and you need to have to learn how to make them merge. So I do believe that looks are an important part of being a mainstream hero. It's getting a little more lenient now. I think people are opening up to people playing parts which are not necessarily glamorous all the time.
Okay.
But it's still very, very important. And that's not something that I am unhappy with. I feel that I would like to work on myself in totality.
Before we go into a break,
tell
us one thing about Shahid Kapoor that nobody knows.
One thing about Shahid Kapoor that nobody knows. A lot of things, a lot of Kamini things about him nobody knows. Okay, I've never said this before. I actually had a slip disc in my neck a year back, and I never really told anybody about it. Now I'm good. As you can see, I'm pretty like
every part.
Everything's gotten back into shape. But yeah, I had a tough time for about a month or so.